Hi, I'm Vicki. Welcome to Make Life Special and another visit in Vicki's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share a great recipe for you. It is Mississippi pot roast. You know, I have another favorite pot roast recipe that I've shared with you previously, and that's my mom's old-fashioned pot roast with vegetables. But this Mississippi pot roast is super good and it is so easy. I love using my crock pot, especially when I'm working, because when I come home at the end of my work day, I don't always feel like making a big complicated recipe, and it's nice to come home to an entree that's already done. So to make the Mississippi pot roast, we need our crock pot. We need a 3 to 5 pound chuck roast, a stick of butter. It can be salted or unsalted, it doesn't matter. Anywhere from 6 to 10 pepperoncini peppers. I'm going to use about 10 of these today because I really like the flavor. A package of dry ranch seasoning mix and a package of au jus mix. You can also use a package of brown gravy mix if you can't find the au jus. And you need a half a cup of water. All right, we're going to start. First of all, I need to spray the crock pot before I put the roast in. Spray it with a cooking spray. And then we're going to just put the pot roast into the crock pot. We want to add the stick of butter. This is such a simple recipe and it is so good. Then we sprinkle on the ranch seasoning. And the au jus mix. Then we're going to top this with the pepperoncini peppers. Spread those around, and the half a cup of water. And guys, that's it. We're going to cover the crock pot. I'm going to cook this on low for anywhere from 8 to 10 hours, and then we'll come back this evening and I'll share with you how wonderful this Mississippi pot roast is. Hey, welcome back for Mississippi pot roast. This has cooked 8 hours in the slow cooker, and now I'm going to take this out and let you see how wonderful this looks, and it is so tender. Oh my, beautiful. And tonight I'm going to be serving this with my super easy cream cheese mashed potatoes. And I have just uploaded that recipe to YouTube, and you can also check out my blog, Make Life Special, for lots of other quick and easy recipes. And here you have Mississippi pot roast. Remember, let's make life special by sharing great food with our family and friends. Enjoy.